Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we disable talkback in our Realme phone device. Guys, you want to disable your talkback setting in your Realme phone device. So friends, how can you disable it in this video friends? I will show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So guys, now let's see how to disable talkback. So friends, first of all guys, you will have to use your two finger and guys scroll on your screen. To disable talkback, click on phone settings and it will not work, so I double tap. So once you can see your phone setting, scroll it, system setting, one tap, double tap guys. Guys, accessibility, tap here, double tap. Vision option friends, you can see in your Realme phone, double tap. Talkback setting guys, tap here, double tap. Talkback guys, you can see this icon guys, tap here, double tap. So as the talkback will disable, and as you can see your talkback, how to off, how to on, and how to use it, you can see these notifications. So like that guys, you can disable your talkback in your Realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.